are going to make hamburgers. So to make this, you need water, scissors, and one pack of crazy hamburger poppin' cooking sets. So we are going to open it. So this is what it looks like inside. So we are going to see what's inside. So this is all that is inside. We have one Coke cup, which is pretty small. And then we have this, which we have to use, but we have to cut it first. We cut the cup. So we have to cut the cup so that we can do the work nicely. So here, this is where we will make our patty and burger bun. Then this is how we are going to make our fries. So this, I cannot remember, but has a star at the bottom. This is probably for cheese. And then we have this cup that we need to use. And then we have the instructions back here. And then we have all of the mix. So this is the bun powder and the ketchup powder in here. And I think there's Coke powder in there too. So we have our Coke powder. We have our patty powder. We have our French fries powder. I think this is the cheese powder. Ketchup and butter. So we have a plastic spoon and a knife to cut the fries. This knife is so itsy bitsy and cute. 1, 2. So the water is already here, and here we have the powder. Okay, the rest of the powder we're just gonna leave it there first. We're going to mix the rest. Oh, and also be careful. Some of the powder might spill out.
You don't think it's done?
Next, we are going to do the bun powder. So we need 4 scoops of water. So now we are going to pour in all of the powder. This is what it looks like now. 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep, beep, beep. Now we can see what it looks like now. So this is what it looks like. One of it's kind of overflowing.
Okay, let it cool down for a bit.
So here is how we are going to make the French fries with water. So we need 2 cups and 1 whole packet of French fries powder. It smells like real potatoes. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty warm and nice. So you see these lines here. This is where we're going to cut them. 1 fry. 2 fries. Okay, now we're going to pour it in. We only need 1 scoop of water. It is because there's not that much cheese powder. Now we're going to mix it up. Mix this one first. Okay. So we are going to flatten the cheese. Nice French fries. So here is one, and then here's the buns. Here's the big, giant, fat patty with still a little bit of water. Burger cooking kit fail. Hello, burger cooking kit fail.
Why?
Maybe because it was too moist.
Yes.
At least it's still a burger, right? Why don't we just make 1 patty for each instead of you know?
Okay, now you can assemble your.
So we are going to have these cheese pieces. This burger's so fat. Okay, is the tomato ready? No? Can I mix it, please? Okay, so we are going to mix the tomato. And then later on, we're going to try it. Ooh. It smells like real ketchup. Ooh. Okay, here's the first burger. And the second burger. Then this will get sauce on it, right? Doing mega sauce cheeseburger with a hole in it. Now we are going to make our Coke. There, in. Then we're going to put the Coke powder. Ah! It's going to overflow. And here's the final product. So now we are going to try the food. So this is our final product, which is the food review. First, we're going to try the French fries. Tastes so real. Now we are going to try the burgers. Pretty good.
What does it taste like? Does it taste like burgers?
A real burger. So good. This tastes so good. Love the Coca-Cola. Tastes like real Coke. I drank the whole thing. See?